Uprise University is an omni-channel platform to provide education to as many people as we can. We provide self-paced modular courses so that you can learn what you want when you want. We provide our courses pass, fail, or grade, or you are allowed to audit them. Unlike other courses, we provide a number of different courses within a major. So instead of just taking a one-off class on something that might be useful if you're already an expert in a field, we provide you all of the courses and all the structure that's required to become an expert. And if you are an expert in the field, you can pick the classes that you want to take that can enhance your skills that you might already have. Unlike other programs out there, we're also going to provide a standardized test and GPA system. So that way, instead of just getting a credential after when you graduate, you're going to be able to go to an employer with a grade or test score so that they'll have a sense of just how competent you are in the material that you just learned. But instead of just a basic certificate, you can go to them and say, hey, I finished top 1% of all the people that graduated this course, rather than, I'm just a graduate of this course. And finally, the mission of Uprise University is to one day provide everyone in the world free access to a high quality education. In terms of who should major in the Coding 101 course or the coding major, pretty much anyone who wants to learn how to code, either just learn the concepts so that you can better talk to your engineering team, or if you just want to build stuff as a fun side project or a hobby, or if you want to get into coding as a professional software engineer. And then finally, if you're already a software engineer or a product manager, this can just enhance the skills that you might already have. Our coding major is designed based off of a couple different principles. First principle is that everything is modular. We don't want you to have to sit through class or material that you're already comfortable with and you already know well. So this will allow you to plug and play and skip through things that you already know and move at your own pace. That way you can spend more time on concepts that are confusing and spend less time on concepts that you get quickly or already know. We also believe a lot in actually building real stuff. Coding is one of the few disciplines where you can create tangible products at the end of what you learn. So we're going to use this course to really teach you how to build real stuff and go through projects and build stuff yourself. We have mentors here to help you debug and guide you along the process. We also have communities so that you can take the class with other students. And we also believe in a learn, do, teach model. So it's really helpful when you're learning a new concept to first learn what it is that you want to do and to do it, and then to really have it sink in to go out and teach it to someone else. So if you take this class and you want to become a mentor yourself, you don't necessarily have to be the world's expert in whatever field it is. You can basically become a mentor or teacher's assistant in your free time and help people like yourself in your own class or just taking the same coursework to improve your skills. All of our classes are provided for free online at upriseuniversity.com. So you can go there to access all of the courses, the class material, cheat sheets, lessons, project code, and versions of the live projects themselves. All this is provided for free. If you want to make a donation to help support the creation of new classes, that is definitely encouraged. And if you want any additional services like one-on-one mentorship or to take a more formalized class for a grade, that costs some additional money as well. Finally, before you take this class, it is designed for people that have a decent understanding of algebra and some basic concepts of math and logic and things like that. It should be designed for pretty much anyone in high school or someone who's graduated high school. But if you don't remember your algebra from 10, 20 years ago or whatever it might be, would be helpful for you to take a quick class on Khan Academy or somewhere else to learn algebra. Most importantly, you don't need any prior programming experience. This is a Coding 101 course and will teach you the basics of coding. And all you really need is a laptop. Our coding major basically has every course out there that you could possibly want to learn that's practical in today's world. I'm not going to go through the details of all of our advanced classes, but I will talk a little bit about some of our Coding 100 level classes. Our Coding 100 level classes, we're going to teach you how to do full stack web development. So this is going to teach you the front end web development, which is HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, which is what we're going to cover in this course, the Coding 101 course. as well as our other Coding 100 level courses will teach you everything you need to know for the backend, such as Python, SQL Alchemy, Postgres SQL, and also give you the tools that you need and that professionals use to code efficiently and effectively, such as GitHub and Microsoft Visual Studio.